Ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Nebot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. Rest easy. Uninterrupted. Nebot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
The Trigger from Skyborn. The minimalist smart wallet designed to save you the most valuable thing in life. Time. The average person spends up to 5 seconds to find the right card when it comes time to cash out. With the Trigger, it takes less than 1 second to see and choose exactly which card is needed for that occasion with the push of a button. Thanks to an integrated spring system, which presents all of your cards in orderly fashion, so you're able to see exactly which card is needed, creating a fast and streamlined checkout experience. It securely holds up to 10 of your cards in place, which includes IDs, reward cards, and business cards. Loose cash or coins? No problem. We also added a slot in the front to store any loose notes or additional cards. It's thoughtfully measured and designed to be as minimalistic as possible, making it 4 times slimmer and 3 times smaller than the traditional wallet, allowing it to fit in any pocket of your fitted jeans or your suit pocket with ease. The base of the Trigger is made of military-grade aluminum steel, which is incredibly durable, yet very light, creating a timeless look and feel. The exterior is then wrapped with the softest imported Italian calf leather, which has been hand-detailed and finished, adding character and an overall quality that's guaranteed to last a lifetime. Identity theft is growing exponentially. We thought of that too, and implemented an RFID blocking liner with the interior wall of the Trigger's aluminum base, so you stay safe and steer clear from theft. Computers get upgraded. Cars get upgraded. It's time to upgrade your wallet to Introducing InstaFloss, the world's first device that flosses your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. InstaFloss is 2 times more effective than manual flossing and infinitely more comfortable. With swappable mouthpieces and adjustable pressure, InstaFloss makes flossing easy for everyone. With one sweep, pulsing water jets floss for you, never missing a single spot. The jets floss thoroughly between each tooth and clean deeper into the gums than string. Compared to string, water flossing is more effective at reducing gingivitis, reducing bleeding, and removing plaque. The jets clean 360 degrees around each tooth and are always at the dentist's recommended 90-degree angle. InstaFloss feels great, works with braces, dental prostheses, and teeth of any shape, so you can keep your smile beautiful in just 10 seconds a day. With InstaFloss, even those nights you're exhausted, it'll be easier than ever to floss quickly and comfortably, so you can spend more time doing what you love. InstaFloss.
Every day your pet waits to throw you a party when you get home. But being left home alone without anything to do can lead them to acting out. Meet Lorpsy, the smart, fun, and interactive ball that plays with your pet every day when you can't. It's the perfect buddy for your furry family. It's 100% automatic and self-moving, and lets your cute friends play all day even when you're not home. You can easily switch between play styles like running and jumping with the handy mode controller, so your pupper or kitty never gets bored. The ball can even detect contact with your pet and change its direction to add to the fun. The Smart Mode provides 30 minutes of play, followed by 10 minutes of rest to get them ready for round 2. It's there to help you get the space you need when you're busy. Its anti-fall and strong drop resistance makes it harmless and safe to play with. You can even head outside for some relaxation and fun with your dogs. Double the excitement with a light show. From dark rooms to sunny days, there's so many ways to keep your furry little family playing with Lorpsy's 5 different light-up options. Its 90mm size means it can't be swallowed. It's also made from environmentally friendly and non-toxic materials. It's your pet's new favorite toy. Surprise their day every day with a ball that plays with them. Let them play while you're away at work or shopping, and say goodbye to boredom and separation anxiety.
You don't have to worry about dust, smog, allergens or choking on exhaust from traffic while cycling. The ergonomic design does not restrict your movement. Its high-tech filtration system removes 99% of air pollutants. iWind directs a flow of purified air towards your face whilst you're in motion. iWind is equipped with universal fasteners so you can mount it easily to any cycling helmet. The device can work up to 9 hours in filtration mode and up to 6.5 hours with filtration and warming breath mode. With iWind, you have a reliable, easy-to-use travel buddy for all your journeys. Feel safe and secure with the rear-facing bright LED light. We're launching iWind to unite people with a passion for our mission and faith in our potential. Together, we will give life to this new green technology. Join us.